Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys 2 ways to sharpen your videos on CapCut PC. So you are just going to select the video that you want to sharpen. I'm just going to select one from here, and then to sharpen the video you can either go to adjustments here and add in a custom adjustment, or add it on the video itself, and then here you can just like sharpen it. So here you can sharpen it there. As you can see, it makes the video sharper if I just like play it right here. Or you can go to the effects page, and it's here, but if you can't find it, it's under retro, and just add it there. And make sure this is at a 50%, so it's not very, doesn't look very like weird. You can also adjust the strength here if you don't want it too sharp. Maybe have it at like 60. But yeah, that is basically it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!